Today I'm presenting my placement software, which digitalizes the whole placement system as well as the flow of any institution it is applied to. It is highly customizable, it is highly scalable, and it can be applied to any institution. Today we are looking at the website of one of our clients and my own university who is using this website. There are 4 different pages, and this can be customized to the need of the institution. In this, whatever you're saying, nothing of this is hard coded. Even the gallery, it is uploaded in the login, which will be shortly seen. All the statistics is not uploaded directly, it's raw data, and the website itself converts into different types of data. All these kind of data can be different types of data can be added or based on the customization wanted by the university. It contains all the stakeholders who are involved in the process, including the student coordinators or the student coordinators, officials, and the recruiters. Let's first have a look at the super coordinator level, that is the admin or the officials. So when you log in as the official, first you get the coordinators log so that you can see what the other super coordinators and the coordinators are doing, each and every action, on whom it was done. It's all recorded here and it is immutable so that you can have a look through it. The user management, here you can see all the users and then block them or delete them as per your need. You can also export it as an Excel sheet. Next is, you want to create the students database for a year, or you want to create the coordinators database for a year. You can do it very easily directly from here. Even the option to upload it as a bulk is there, or as a single, or even you can delete. Here there are different coordinators, and you can add students, a lot of them, with the email ID and password, and they have to reset it once they are doing at the first login. Here the companies which you are applying, the recruiters, these are 2 actual new recruiters which had never come to our campus, but after this website we have found 2 new recruiters, and the coordinator, the official, can go through this and negotiate the pre-placement talk date, the campus visit date, reject and approve them, and the corresponding flows continue, where the students directly apply into the company, and the software, based on the students academic profile and all, it directly segregates them and shows them in which they are allowed to sit and not, and also the complete flow of the placement till their students are placed. You can have the placement data here. You can add it or bulk upload it or add a placement directly here if you have missed it, or you can export it as Excel, or who are overplaced here only in the website, the directly data comes here, so you don't have the headache of that. So completely from different stages directly here, if a company is approved, that like the stages of it, stage 1, stage 2, and stage 3, like that. For example, like now this is also there for the recruiters. I'm just showing it as an example. So here, like where you have to fill this up, and here in the I'll be showing it in the recruiters profile how you can send it for that. So in different stages, the students will be updated through this website only. So here you can add manage calendars, and every role doesn't need to see the whatever which is meant for them only. So according to that only you can do, so that it is not cluttered. For statistics, here you upload the raw data, and then you can just directly export it as the Excel sheet, so you don't have to make it. Just upload the raw data and get the sheet, as well as it uploaded on the statistics. Then the notice, similarly you can upload a public notice in the home page, or it send it particularly to the different roles you want. App notification, where you can send the notification on the app, as we have an Android and iOS app developed through Flutter. This is developed through Next.js. This is the queries, in which the queries from the recruiters are shown, and this is the issues, where the escalated issues, that is the level 2 issues. The level 1 issues are solved by the student coordinators, which are not solved, they're escalated to the officials. Feedbacks by the recruiters, so that you can make everything better. This is the notice board. Next we'll be seeing about the coordinator. So for the coordinator, when the first time a student registers, he gives the one-time data, the profile data. The profile data is verified here. Next is every semester, only the marks or any small changes which are done, they need to be done, because the profile has been created once. So the edits which are done, those are verified here. For the applications for the companies, they are also verified over here once more for a manual check. With just one click only, all these things are done. The opportunities like placement, internships, and workshops are shown here. Here also a student can coordinator can create one, because most of the placements currently in this situation are coming in offline form. So it's very important the offline forms can be converted into online at the placement cell only. These are the same placement calendar statistics, and yeah, one more previous campus. So all these placements done on this directly come here. But if you're not there and some previous data you want to import, you can directly import it the placement data or add new entry here. So what it does is it shows the students what companies came before and what skills they chose, so that from the first year itself students get an idea that if I'm in this branch and these companies come to my college, then what skills I need to do based on the previous historical records. Here where the gallery can be managed very easily just with upload, the notices management, queries management at like issues level 1 also are here for the coordinators. Next, we'll be going to show for the students. For the students, it's my profile. As I said, I have to create it only once. Only once I have to create, and then I can edit something in this and it will go for the edit verification. These are the remarks and my activities. For example, if I'm getting verified, getting edit profile, what's the status of it, what's the status of my application. In my job application, I have gone to level 1 or level 2 or the next HR round or what, everything comes here. These are the opportunities, status active, expired and all. And then this it always shows me that which I'm eligible to apply or not eligible to apply. Currently there are no such opportunities here. Calendar, if there, it will show for me. Notices, past campuses, as I said, this will show me how I need to prepare. Here where I can put my queries, and here where I can put my issues. Next, let's look at the recruiter. Recruiters can create profile if they don't have. If they have already made, you can just log in. While logging, first you need to create a recruiter profile with very minimal information. Next, you can post a job or a workshop. You can just have to enter a few minimal details. Just enter a few minimal details. I'm just entering anything just for right now. Then it covers everything for which degrees you want to apply. All these things are customized based on that university, and like which threshold, how much you need to know, and CGPA, how much and all. Next, apply, and here you apply the skills required, anything else required, and here where you put like what stages you want to have or any other stages you want to have, specify the step, and you can just put it up and down based on what you want, preferred placement on, which can be negotiated later. Here you can see the status of your application, and you can get communicated by the placement cell. This is where the calendar of that is, and notices for the recruiters, queries, and your feedback is here. So basically all this is what controls the whole site. The whole site is very optimized, and it is very customizable. Everything you see here can be customized as per the university, even the colors, logos, and the style of the university. For example, here the name and all is changed, and everything that is required as per the university has been changed. The database here is on the Firebase, so that that you don't have to pay the developer anything extra for this. You just need to pay the Firebase services for which you're using. That much only you need to pay for your services only you're using, and to the developer only the license fee you have to pay. Like previously my university was paying around something 1500 just for the web hosting of it. Now it pays 200 something, including all the storage, database, and the hosting, as well as everything that is included in the services or the online services. It's paying 200 something. Above that, a license minimal fee, whatever the developer as me will charge, that much only. So it's itself very much lower than what's the web hosting prices only. Now we'll be looking at the app version of this.
Now we are looking at the app version of the placement cell, in which it is very important that you get notifications. So whatever notifications are sent by the cell, you can directly find it here, so that you don't miss anything in the clutter of messages of WhatsApp messages and the groups. Here also same, you can go and log in, find statistics, gallery, and everything. Once you log in through coordinator, recruiter, and all, you can go through all the steps which you had as shown in the previously in the website. Everything is available right here. Thank you so much. I hope this transforms and digitalizes the all the institutions, universities, and all their placement processes, which has been very hectic, very paper driven, very manual, and it is very, very, very time consuming. And this will make everything very transparent, very, very easy for every stakeholder in the process of this placement. Thank you, everyone.